I purchased 3.5 million worth of book vouchers to give away for my Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundations, plus other vouchers totaling 5 million. Besties, our kids have books for school. I'm so excited.
Come here, Spice, we have to talk about this 3.5 mil pound school book list. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, I want to send a happy birthday to Grace Hamilton, OC Spice, right? So, Grace Latoya Hamilton, OC Spice, happy birthday, and wish you many more to come. I'm going to encourage you to drop down in the comment section as well and bless her up. The official queen of dancehall. All the other time then when we are say it, but just I say it because of how I feel. But this time it's official, people. We don't know how that go. We not go there, so. But people, let's talk about Spice book drive yesterday. You saw me and say on August 5th. People, sell off, shot 3.5 million just buy book vouchers. You know what I mean? I want to shout out to everybody who donate to it. You see me, I say, and for everybody who turn out and get one as well. And you know what I mean? I have to big up Spice for doing what she does. So I have a quick clip. I want to take a look at this. I want to see what go on. I want to see what go on yesterday, rather. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Mama used to beg me.
Yeah, people. But like I say, when you know how that go, you know what I mean, people turn out. A lot of people, they have a lot of things to say, but none of that no matter right now. All of the people, when they have them good remarks and good comments about that, in regards to Spice going live and say she wants some people to contribute towards it. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, when you see the vision. And so me I say, remember, you know, sight is what you see with your eyes, vision is what you see with your mind. And Spice had the vision, and now it came to fruition, and we see what go on. You see me I say, so big up Spice every time. Now, people like myself, when you know Spice do birthday, if you don't know, you know go find out. You see what I say, because I know she have something special at one. She said that event is what she wanted to do for her birthday, but you know she always skip her party from ever since. But her friends and family surprised her last night. They had a surprise dinner for her, and she said people who she don't see over 20 years turn out for her. So I have that video there too. I'm going to show you some of it. I can't show you all of it because music I play throughout it. I want to know that go. But if you don't want to see it, it's still on her Instagram as well as my Facebook. So Dancehall IG, you know, Facebook /Dancehall IG. You see me, I say, I want to know Spice page them go already. You see me? But people, I'm going to show you some little clips from that so they can know what go on. So take a look at this.
I said it with me, I sweat my day I dance. Hey guys, how are you? Yes, in a few hours, it's going to be my birthday. I'm so happy. I'm super excited. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I walked into a surprise dinner. Look at this. I literally fell to the floor because I had seen people I haven't seen for 20 years. That's a long time. Some people I haven't seen for 10 years. I don't know how they reached Jamaica. Angel flew down and surprised me, and I fell to the floor. I feel love. I'm so happy. I'm super excited. You know who's gonna support me. It's Leo season. It is. Wow. Listen, I used to them filter here. Hey, stop. Hey, I walk into this beautiful surprise put on by my beautiful sister. This is how she celebrated my day. It's not even my birthday yet and I feel so happy. I walk into this beautiful surprise dinner that I had no idea about. I love you, sis. I love you.
Now, in addition to all of that, I want to say anybody else who is celebrating a birthday today, you know what I mean, happy birthday, as well as anybody who having a birthday in close proximity, like, you know, tomorrow, yesterday, even, you know, a few days ago, next week, you know what I mean, big up on yourself. You see me? I should have been going up earlier in another video, but it just came to my mind. So, I don't know, it's going to bear with me. I want to big up on yourself. Hope everybody enjoy them birthday with them family and them friends, you know what I mean, and just glad for this. No say you live to see one more year. You see what I say? So shout out to everybody who is having a birthday or having a birthday close by. You see what I say? So I'm big up on yourself. Just love the vibes. I'm see I go on in the dance hall from what year, especially on Spice behalf, right? I say whole heap of great things she are going with. You know what I mean? Separate and apart from this one I talk about right here. She had shows in DC, in the DMV area, which is DC, Maryland, and Virginia, right? So them call that the DMV area for those of us that do not know that, right? And also, you know what I mean, rain that fall in that show there and she stand up out there with the crowd. And she got a dream weekend, you know what I mean? She and Beanie Man, where we know say she and Beanie Man don't get along from time. She decides that she does go call Beanie Man on stage and dance with him, you know what I mean? And she does like tell him say she love him, you know what I mean? That's what you call growth, people, in my eyes. So I love that. I love to see where the queen I deal with. I love the unity throughout the dance hall. Some other things are going, but you a Spice video this, I'm not gonna really mention them there. You see what I say? We are talking about Spice. But when you know say me go keep up on the good times because me name is a good news. You see what I say? That me I deal with. Me not depend on the bag of Rary and Tete. So people, that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are, and stay safe out there. You see what I say? We know the time stay, it's dangerous and treacherous, so we just want to know, say, everybody make it back home safe, you know what I mean? Use your best judgment and get to where you need to be whenever you need to be safely. All right, so big up everybody. I'm out.